Hi, thanks for watching. If you landed on this video, you probably have a parental control lock on your Nintendo device. This goes for any device that was made after the GameCube when they started to get smarter, like the Nintendo Wii, handheld Game Boy, what are them called? Them little DXXLs, Nintendo Switches have parental controls. This is so easy to unlock that people don't know it. I found one at a Goodwill and it had a parental control on it. It was a Nintendo Switch and I got it for $20. So I did some research and I'm sharing this video because it was so easy to unlock. Whether you got a Nintendo Switch Lite, like I said, anything with a parental control, all you're gonna have to do is call 1-800-255-3700. I'm giving you a number to speak to a live person. You must be over 18 years old or older, and they will unlock it right away. It's that easy. So the number's at the end, the last photo. All you gotta do is call that number. Guaranteed 100% they will help you and unlock your locked up device. All I ask is you give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.